Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make copper color. First, let's consider the materials you'll be working with. For a realistic copper look, you'll typically use specialized paints or metallic leaf. Safety is paramount, so always work in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves and eye protection. Preparing your surface properly is also key for a durable and attractive finish, ensuring it's clean and smooth. To achieve a painted copper look, begin with a good quality primer that adheres well to your chosen surface. Once dry, apply your first thin, even coat of metallic copper paint. Avoid thick applications, as these can lead to drips or an uneven finish. Let this coat dry thoroughly, which might take 1 to 2 hours, then apply a second thin coat for full coverage and a vibrant color. To give your copper finish more depth and an aged appearance, consider applying a thin, dark wash into the recesses. This technique enhances details and creates a natural patina. After the wash dries, lightly dry brush with a slightly brighter copper or even a touch of gold paint on raised areas to catch the light. Finally, seal your work with a clear, protective top coat to ensure durability and a lasting shine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try your techniques on a scrap piece before tackling your main project. Different brands of metallic paint can offer slightly varied hues and finishes, so explore what works best for your desired outcome. Always ensure your workspace is clean and well lit, and enjoy the creative process of transforming ordinary items into beautiful copper-colored pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.